there are not that many pending liabilities for any given state. For the entire country, what I see is 700 crores of liability. For Andhra Pradesh, it's coming around 150 crores. And again, as I said earlier, this is a dynamic process. Every day the money will be going to respective state, depending on the state, whether it is 10 crores or 20 crores. So there is nothing that's pending, but whatever is pending will be cleared usually within 2 to 3 days. Thank you.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 108 को भी क्लब किया जाता है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 108 श्री केसी वेणुगोपाल। माननीय मंत्री जी।
The answer is laid in the table of the House. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्य।
Thank you, Speaker sir, for giving me an opportunity for intervening in this question hour. I am very happy, Speaker sir, while replying the Honourable Minister talked about the good heart of Honourable Prime Minister. But the country knows that the same Prime Minister told that this is a clear memorial of the UPA corruption, this Manrega, in that house. My question, sir, you are talking about the allocation. Scheme is initiated on 2006. Now 18 years are over. After 18 years, our entire budget outlay has been increased several times. Then you are telling every day we are increasing 5,000, 6,000. Here I have a statistics. It is shocking that, sir, in the last 4 years, names of 10.43 crore Manrega workers across India have been deleted, sir. 10.43 crore workers. Then in 21-22, 1.49 crore workers were deleted, which surged to 5.53 crore in 22-23, resulting in net by 247% increase in deletion, sir. Not increase in deletion, sir. Sir, I have a specific question. In surge of deletion 22-23 coincided with the period when the union government has issued several circulars, making Aadhaar-based payment system mandatory in Manrega. My question to the minister, whether the ministry has gone through this issue, whether you have found out that the Aadhaar-linked direction and circular has affected the deletion of the workers.
Thank you. The first question you said we are not increasing the budget. I just want to quote during your government in 2009 and 10. No, I'll come to you. You answered that we asked. 2009 and 10, the budget estimate was 39,000 crores. You released 33,000 crores. So 6,000 crores less. No, let me come back to you. So, and again in 2011 and 12, the budget estimate was 40,000 crores and you released 29,000 crores. And again 2012 and 12 and 13, budget estimate was revised lower to 33,000 crores and you released 30,000 crores. I gave you 3 years of example where you could not even meet your own budget estimates. And I have given, during last 5 years, every year we increased 20,000 crores. So that's number one. And number two, Aadhaar seeding. 99% of all job card holders have Aadhaar seeding. And there are no issues. And Aadhaar seeding has nothing but increasing the transparency. This is a means to deliver the amount directly into the bank. It has no intervention whatsoever and it is not an obstacle. And the job deletions, again, as I said, are based on 5 factors. If there is a fake card, duplicate card, if the person moves from one panchayat to another panchayat, or if the person expired, if the person doesn't want to work anymore, or if that area becomes urbanized from rural area. These are the criteria for the job deletion. And again, this is the responsibility of the state. The central government do not have any role whatsoever in job deletion.
Again, you are misleading the House. I am sorry to say that. Because my question is that, comparing to the budget, total budget outlay, how much you are providing for Manrega? That the percentage of this thing, what we are asking. Now, sir, now he is talking about the Honourable Minister is talking about the deletion. This is completely for 5 parameters, sir. This 5 parameter only through these 5 parameters, 10.43 crore people is going to be deleted. We cannot understand that.
Okay.
1.43 crore laborers are deleted. You are telling about this parameter, double entry, this thing. That means you are indirectly insulting the laborers through this. I think that I am doing Disha meeting every 3 months. I know the factors from the ground. This is not suitable with your arguments. The ground reality is not suitable with your argument. So my question also, in your reply itself you told an amount of 16,300 crore was pending liability for wage, material and administration for component. App payment is not happening. The Manrega workers are very poor. You are giving them after 1 year. After 8 months, you are giving salary. I am agreeing that, but giving salary in a delayed way.
माननीय मंत्री जी,
Basically, you are defeating the purpose of the.
No, we are not defeating. I am happy to answer one by one. 57% of rural development budget is being allocated to Manrega. That's number one. And you said second, the job card deletion and update. If you take consistently average job deletion, every year there is 60 lakh new job cards are being issued. On an average, around 30 lakh job cards are being deleted due to various reasons. And the total number of job cards are around 13 to 14 crores, and this is a static number. And the total number of active job cards are around 9.2 crores. And if you want the exact number, I'm happy to give you. New job cards issued in 22-23, 65 lakhs, 23-24, 50 lakhs. So the total number of active job cards are in 21, 9.58 crores. In 22, went down 10 lakhs, 9.49. Again in 23, it went up 20 lakhs. So 9.79 crore active job cards. So where is the number that you are talking that the number 2 crore job cards are being deleted? These are the actual facts, sir.
Okay. Shri K. Sudhakaran.